These are the days I'm so glad that we don't have to come to work till later in the afternoon because I took advantage of it this morning. Beautiful out there.
Man, now I'm jealous. I have to get outside later today. It still seems like it's pretty nice out there, George, and it sounds like plenty of nice days ahead.
Yes, indeed. If you're looking for summer weather, whew, boy, is that going to be with us at the end of the weekend. But before that happens, we also have a chance of some storms, and we'll talk about that when that may happen. 13 weather ball tonight for tomorrow is red. We have warmer and eventually more humid weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Around the area, we have these high clouds that have thickened up this afternoon. That's that filtered sunshine we talked about today, all the way from the lakeshore to inland from our ZZM beach cam over in Grand Haven. It's 63 degrees. Waves are virtually flat with a little bit of an onshore breeze. A calm to 1 foot waves with a light wind there from Michigan City to Holland all the way up to Muskegon. Water temperatures in the low and mid 50s, couple of 60s on the south end of Lake Michigan. Temperature wise, cooler at the lakeshore with that onshore breeze coming off those 50s and 60s. It's 60 up in Ludington to as warm as 71 in Benton Harbor away from the lakeshore. It's in the low and mid 70s. Most areas are running a little bit warmer than yesterday by about 3 to as much as 6 degrees. High clouds are starting to stream in. These are the tops of dissipating showers coming into eastern Wisconsin. The chances of rain here overnight are very slim, and these are basically going to fall apart. You might see some fall streaks called virga coming down of those high level clouds, but nothing of any importance, nothing that will mean anything, and that will be all while you're sleeping here tonight. You can show that on our models. You can see most of that activity moving to the east, so a nice sunny but hazy day coming up tomorrow. Now tomorrow night there's going to be an area of some storms that develop off to our north and west, and a couple of those will make it down through the area by daybreak on Thursday, I should say. But more storms are expected in the afternoon and early evening on Thursday, and there's a possibility one of those could be on the stronger side. We can see it on our lightning forecast. This is 2 a.m. Thursday morning, not tomorrow morning, but Thursday morning. There's that first round that goes on through, and then in the afternoon you'll watch that line of storms develop in the afternoon and head to the south and east. That's why we have that small risk for strong storms. A warm up tomorrow up to 83 degrees, about 10 degrees warmer than today. We'll be around 84 on Thursday with higher humidity, and then the humidity drops behind that cold front, and so do the temperatures, getting down to around 80 on Friday. High risk for, or high chance I should say, for warmer than average temperatures from the 17th through the 21st. You'll see that at the end of our 10-day forecast, and an equal chance for more or less precipitation across our area. So for tonight, look for mostly cloudy skies, 57 to 59 north, 59 in South Haven, around 60 or so in Holland and Muskegon. Northern areas mostly cloudy, mid 50s here, warmer than last night, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area we'll be in the mid and upper 50s with a light south wind this evening. 13 on your side forecast. Hazy skies with that sunshine tomorrow up to 83. It'll be a little bit more humid than on Thursday, but also windy with those showers and storms. About 60% of the area seeing that. Will turn a little bit less humid than for Friday and Saturday, but all the way up to 90 on Father's Day. A chance of a thunderstorm next Monday as the heat and humidity stick around from Tuesday through Friday of next week. Lots of sunshine earlier today. The clouds have thickened up as anticipated. What's ahead for the next 24 hours? Well, the 80s are going to return, and that means the 13 weather ball is red because we have some warmer weather ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Beautiful evening to walk the dog. This is Gus. Hi, Gus. How are you? Yeah, you're looking at Kenny and Mary to take you out here this evening. That should be Ken and Mary Kay. Low 70s, dropping into the 60s this evening. I'm going to give you that green paw all the way through tomorrow morning. No threat of anything that means anything here tonight or tomorrow. 8.7 out of a 10-point scale in terms of creating green electricity here in West Michigan. Home energy savings over 200% tomorrow, and the winds will be up a little bit here tomorrow. Kind of windy though on Thursday, so again creating a green electricity. High clouds are courtesy of some dissipating showers coming across Lake Michigan. They may produce a sprinkle here later on tonight. Nothing of any concern. Got a little weak cold front coming on through, but that will have very little effect on our weather, and these sprinkles are expected to fall apart next couple of hours. Lining up very closely with our model, you can see You might just see some of the what we call sprinkles or fall streaks coming out of the mid-level clouds, but nothing of any significance. And lots of sunshine expected here again during the day tomorrow. Now, tomorrow night, we're going to watch an area of some showers and storms develop. That'll come down through the area between about 2 and 8 a.m. And again, this will have very little consequence because it'll be while you're sleeping. More of a concern are some afternoon showers and thunderstorms that'll be popping up off to our south and east from Grand Rapids off to the south and east. So we have a risk for some stronger storms. And you can see that on our lightning model. This is 2 a.m. on Thursday, not tonight. This is early on Thursday morning. Coming down from the north, that's one batch moving through. Then the second batch will pop up and push off to the south on Thursday afternoon. That's why we have a marginal risk for severe weather coming up on Thursday. That's a 1 out of 5. High temperatures tomorrow, about 10 degrees warmer than today, up to around 83 with some 90s looming off to our south and west. Higher humidity with 84 than on Thursday, and as that cold front sweeps on in, it'll sweep out the humidity, turn our winds to the north on Friday, and we'll see a high near 80. But we're going to stay in the high category. Probability for warmer temperatures for that third week of June. Average highs are around 81 to 82. Guarantee we're going to be a lot warmer than that. Equal chance for more or less rainfall. Storm track appears to be off to our north and west. So tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Might be a sprinkle, nothing to worry about. Upper 50s to near 60 degrees. A light south wind will increase later tonight. Mid 50s to the north, mostly cloudy, maybe a sprinkle. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, between 56 and 58 for your overnight lows. Warmer than last night. 13 on your side forecast. As we showed you, that best chance for showers and storms on Thursday. Kind of hazy, kind of humid, kind of windy. A little more comfortable Friday and Saturday. But the heat is on Sunday next week. We threw in a chance of a thunderstorm next Monday as the hazy, hot, and humid weather sticks around most, if not all, of next week. Temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90. That's an extended warm spell, hot spell. A little early, I think, just in time for summer. Looking good there, guys.
George, you told us some clouds would move in, but what a delightful early afternoon today. I was outside enjoying it.
Man, it's just perfect weather, low humidity, light winds. What's not to like? Oh my gosh, yeah. We're going to look for some warmer temperatures though, Juliet. I know a lot of people are looking forward to summer-like weather. That's headed our way sooner than you would probably want. But the 13 weather ball stays red, another warmer day ahead.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Very comfortable today, climbing up away from the lake shore into the low and mid 70s. Cooler at the lake with that onshore breeze. Not quite our average high, which is 78. We're going to put several days in a row now where we will exceed our average high. Second day in a row, we have gotten a bullseye. We matched our high temperature of 73, 15 days within our target range in a row. Got some high clouds that have come in this afternoon, thickening up, putting the brakes on our temperatures. A couple of sprinkles of rain out of those right in through here over central Lake Michigan. Wouldn't be surprised if there's a sprinkle. You might actually see fall streaks coming out of the evening clouds. A couple of those might reach the ground, but we're not putting rain in the forecast. There they are, showing up on our weather model, and they just kind of fall apart. For the most part, just a mostly cloudy night, and we'll be back into a lot of sunshine during the day tomorrow. Now, tomorrow night, late tomorrow night, we're talking like between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m. on Thursday. There'll be a line of some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder come on through. Best chance will be during the afternoon on Thursday. See these pop-up showers and storms? These have the possibility to be on the stronger side right now. You can also see that in our lightning forecast. This is not tonight. This is tomorrow night after midnight, 2 a.m. on Thursday. You can see a line of some showers and storms kind of coming down through the area through the morning on Thursday. And then in the afternoon, you can see another line. This is the one that Storm Prediction Center has us in a slight risk for as those push to the south and east. The main threat would be some strong winds. And again, that will be during the afternoon on Thursday. So Wednesday, got a nice day as we return to the 80s. Forecast then for tomorrow, look for some hazy conditions because the winds are fairly light over here in eastern Wisconsin. They're expecting a clean air action day. Not in our part of the state, mid and upper 70s from Muskegon northward, down toward the south end of the lake where the wind is not coming in off the lake, at least early on in the day. It'll be in the low 80s. In the inland areas, low 80s. A lot of hazy sunshine. Winds will start out from the south, but they'll shift to the west. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, lots of sunshine, a little bit hazy. Air quality may get down to the moderate category for a little while, between 83 and 85, and those south-southwest winds also during the afternoon. 13 on your side forecast. So you're going to see a lot of hazy symbols in the forecast next several days, especially tomorrow and again on Thursday with those showers and thunderstorms. About 60% of the area would see that, mainly in the afternoon. A little bit less humid than on Friday after a humid day Thursday, both Friday and Saturday. More cloud cover Saturday than on Friday, and then morning clouds, afternoon sun, and downright hot on Father's Day up near 90. The humidity returns starting Monday, lasting all the way through next Friday. Upper 80s with some showers and storms possible next Monday, and then hazy and humid and downright hot Tuesday through Friday, upper 80s to around 90 degrees.